Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about why add friend button is not showing on Facebook. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, and in some cases when you want to send a friend request to someone, you find that the add friend button doesn't appear. For example, let's move to the search bar and write Mark Zuckerberg. And here it is. So tap on it. As you see here, the add friend button doesn't appear. So you can't add him as a friend and you can only follow him. And this is due to the fact that maybe he's someone famous or a public figure. And if you're so, Facebook allows you to set up your account in a way that users only can follow you. So there's no way to add him as a friend. Another reason is how this person adjusts his privacy settings. So when you tap on the hamburger icon up here, then choose Set up Privacy, tap on Settings. Now scroll down to how people can find and contact you. Then who can send you a friend request. If that person chooses friends of friends, so you can't add him as a friend unless you send a friend request to one of his friends, and when he accepts the request, then you can send a friend request to that person. And this is it. This is why add friend button is not showing on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See ya.